Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa SRP. Nandito na tayo. Yan. Hey! Hey! Viva Pits! Viva Pits, Senyor! Yeah. So guys, wala pa rin yung mga bangkaw. I think hindi naging part yung first bridge or yung dagat ng ayan guys, dinadaan ko na lang siya sa tawa even if nadismaya kami guys kasi we thought na dadaan yung lahat ng mga barkoan, yung barko ng Senior Santo Niño dito sa Kabahog na dagat because that's what we usually ang tawag dito, yung nakasanayan na namin noon, maraming tao na. Hi everyone, ayan, today guys is 2:46 and it's Sunday, January 21, 2024. Today is we will be attending the Mañanita Mass in Basilica Minore del Santo Niño. So, balikan natin ng konti yung nangyari sa fluvial parade. Well, actually, we're sad because hindi talaga siya dumaan sa Kabahog. But then, I've discovered or nakarinig kami ng balita na nag-start pala siya sa One Wharf. So, it is in Pier 1 and then papuntang Cebu City. So, that is the very first time na nangyari yun guys, and the reason is that it's emergencies. Pupunta tayo ng Basilica Minore del Santo Niño guys to attend the Mañanita Mass. 3 is lalabas na kami at babiyahe na patungo doon. So, tara, samahan niyo kami guys.
Maranda!
Señor, viva Señor Santo Niño, viva el Señor, viva Señor Santo Niño, oh mi Señor, y el Señor.
Señor, pagadaidon ka Diyos.
Señor,
Señor, pasayloa kami.
Señor,
Señor, kaluy kami.
Señor,
Señor, panalipdi kami.
Señor,
Señor, himayaon ka Diyos.
Señor,
Señor, diyahi kami.
Señor, Señor, ilantanan ang Señor.
So, ayan guys, nakarating na kami ng bahay and then dito na lang talaga ako nag-video guys na natapos na namin yung Mañanita Mass. Mamayang mga around 1 or 2 p.m. pupunta tayo ng South Road Properties para i-witness yung grand finale ng Sinulog Festival. So stay tuned! Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa SRP. Nandito na tayo sa South Road Properties. And look at the place guys. It's so wide. At ang dami-daming mga tao. Oh my gosh. Well, the event itself is nandoon pa. So we were gonna go there. Kasi dito kami nag-park sa may Il Corso. So, papunta tayo doon.
Sugod na sa sinulog, kitang tanan magpit Senyor. Sugod na sa sinulog, kitang tanan magpit Senyor. Hey! Hey!
na-witness na natin yung grand parade doon sa SRP. And right now, since it's already time check, 10 minutes before 7, and let's wait for the fireworks that will be held in Seaside.